Daily Big Cat is a behind-the-scenes look at big cat rescue in Tampa, Florida.
Why are you looking at her?
Sassy Caracal. Sassy Caracal left food today. She's left food in the past, but then did well for the last couple months, and she left food again today. So just gonna go take a look at her.
It's a problem with the cage so big, you gotta find the cat first.
That was a while, a long time ago. She, I think, was constant. She's on lactose forever now.
Can we separate her and make her stupid? You know?
Can't tell.
Rusty is like, I'm right here, I'm ready.
I wonder how many poops we can find it.
This is her most recent stuff. You want another treat? You don't need the treats. She needs the treats. So I can separate them right now. Rusty!
While you have its attention.
Rusty!
She has the treats. Go follow Jamie.
Walk out!
Oh yes, I'll have that.
Today or like tomorrow morning we should probably sedate her. I mean, overall she looks pretty healthy, but she could be constipated and uncomfortable because she's breathing like that now, but she was sleeping a minute and a half ago and she was not breathing heavy at all. She was resting, but as soon as we came over she started.
Do you think we're making her nervous and that's why she's breathing harder?
There's something, you know, if she was sleeping and she has some kind of respiratory issue, I would think she'd still be breathing heavier than normal, so.
Yeah.
Please subscribe and share Big Cat Rescue's videos to help save big cats.